So this all freaking the sky. You can see, look at the line. The clear sky versus the man-made solar shield. And that's how the day went. So let's jump into the show. All right, let me close that out. Now here's what it looks like from the worldview map. So most that was between Kansas City and down around this area right here, but you can see the whole cloud formation drifted off. Complete aerosols all from the plains. See, here's where they start spraying. These are not water vapor like they claim. I've showed the ingredients that are coming out of the back of these planes and also actual spraying. Then we can actually look at it in motion. We put a little enhancement on here so you can see it. So you can see how they started spraying in the night. And then it just starts drifting out. Then they start hitting it with the radio frequencies, the microwaves. It just create a man-made blanket over the sky to block the sunlight. There was no weather supposed to be coming also down. You can see down here in Tennessee completely being bombarded. But we'll get back into this map here in just a little bit.